Love is an central action, central component of Jesus' ministry. And earlier in this chapter, we see Jesus washing the feet of his disciples. Jesus even washing the feet of Judas, the same person who betrayed Jesus. Jesus does not exclude him, does not say, I don't want to wash his feet, but he washes the feet of Judas. He does not condemn him for what he has done, for his betrayal. And by this gesture, that washing the feet, Jesus is showing us to show love to one another, to take care of one another. Jesus is telling us, I have set you an example. I have given you a model. Follow it and do it likewise. A question might come up in your mind at this moment. How can I love one another as Jesus did? Very simple. Serve more and judge less. Secondly, Jesus also calls his disciples and calls us friends. He says, I no longer call you servants, but I call you friends. And what is this friendship means in today's world? What is the meaning of friendship in today's world?